4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4. What do you guys think? 1, 4? It's not usually how it works. One, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5. Doesn't really make sense, guys. No match found. So we're going to make sure we're in all the way. We are in all the way. And what we're going to do is we're going to check 2 at a time. So we're going to go to 9 and 10. And it looks like we got 2, 3. And then we're going to do we had 7 and 8. So same thing, that's the trick. Looks like 2, 3 also. So 1, 3. What was it? I put a question mark for those, but let's do all of them 2 at a time. Just to see what we got. Don't want to lose that. So we're gonna go these 2, 5, 4. The next 2 looks like 3, 1. I knew that wasn't 1. 5, 4, 3, 1. And then let's just do 2 question marks. Make chart. Three, 3 or 3, 1. So let's check it again. 7 and 8. Seven and 8 is probably 3, 1. We'll try it. 3, 1. Let's try that and see what we got.